Hello and welcome to this new course. Today, I will teach you how to create a professional website for free using Blogger. This is one of the courses that is meant to be used with AdSense. I'll teach you how to create a fully functional professional website using Blogger, which is a service provided by Google. Now, what is Blogger? Blogger is a blog publishing service that allows multi-user blogs with timestamps entries. It was developed by Byra Labs, which was bought by Google in 2003. Generally, the blogs are hosted by Google at a subdomain of blogspot.com. So your website will be, let's say, mark.blogspot.com or engineering.blogspot.com. Blogs can also be hosted in the registered custom domain of the blogger, www.example.com. You can purchase a domain and link it to your blogger. You don't need a host. A user can have up to 100 blogs per account. So each Gmail account you create, you will have around 100 blogs. What you will take in this course? In this course, I will take you on a step-by-step on how to create a fully functional website, a professional looking website, AdSense enabled website with graphics and pages required to attract visitors from all around the world, and how to monetize this website and make money by writing articles in this website or selling it online. I will also teach you how to create multiple blog websites and how you can use Blogger to make your life a way much easier. You don't need a web hosting that will cost you a lot of money. You just need a Gmail account. I will show you where you can do this Gmail account. Next, I will show you how to create a Blogger website, then how to customize it, how to apply a template, then how to buy a custom domain and link into your Blogger website. I'm sure that you will like this journey. After this course, you will have your own website and you can create websites for other people as well. Let's say on Fiverr for $5, you can create a website for someone and make a very large profit. Thanks for watching this introduction. This is Money Makers Team.